What luxury fashion house? What luxury fashion house founded the restoration of Rome's Trevi fountain? What luxury fashion house founded the restoration of Rome's Trevi fountain? Now I'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options that you think is the correct answer for the question, and here is the list of the options. The first option is Valentino. The second option is Prada. The third option is Fendi. And the last option is Armani. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now let me tell you what is the answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Fendi. So that's the answer for the question, Fendi. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click this subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.